Hi, this is a conversation about the course selection for students currently in the Trig and Precalc course. So for current 12th graders, you don't have to worry about this because you're graduating. Congratulations. For our current 11th graders, we have several available options. So first option would be the math applications and personal finance. This is a course that's very practical and real world based, dealing with things that you might actually experience as an adult and kinds of problems you might actually have to solve as an adult, and particularly the personal finance end of it. That being said, just as a warning, if you're planning on trying to play an NCAA sport, you may end up with some eligibility issues concerned around this course, and if that's a route you're considering, you may want to talk to your counselor about that in a little bit more detail. Other option, there is honors discrete mathematics. And while I don't know who's going to teach really any courses, I do know for a fact that I will teach this honors discrete math course. And if you're somebody that's interested in pure mathematics or like an industrial engineering kind of job or computer science, this is really an excellent course for you. So when we say discrete mathematics, what we're really talking about is situations where your numbers are indivisible. So in all of your math courses in high school, if you've talked about the interval from 0 to 1, that's always included like infinitely many numbers in between there, like 0.1, 0.01, 0.001, etc. In discrete mathematics, we don't have that. What we have are the numbers being indivisible. So we have 0, we have 1, we have nothing in between there. And one of the really interesting parts, or what makes this field of mathematics so important, is that most of the kinds of problems that you can program a computer to solve are kind of built out of these discrete mathematics problems. So it's really kind of a neat area. And if you have any interest in those kinds of areas, that's a wonderful place or a wonderful course to kind of try to consider. That being said, it's possible that you might need a recommendation on this. I think that the prerequisite is based on your Algebra 3-4 grade. And if that's the case, you can contact me and we'll figure out what we need to do to kind of get you into that, if that's where it is you think you'd like to live. Other option would be the IB Math SL course. Now they renamed IB Math Studies course to be IB Math SL. And what you really need for this course is you need to have at least A- in both semesters from this course. And I realize that at time of registration, you won't have had both semesters. So you would probably get an error when trying to register this course and needing a teacher override. In those sort of situations, I want to wait until the end of the semester to kind of make sure you really kind of hold up that A- on your end. If that's the case, I would just register for the math applications course and personal finance, and then we can come back and you send me an email at the end of the semester, and if you meet those requirements, I'll happily send that along, or we can make a course change. Or if you're close and you want me to consider that still, I would be happy to look at that again at that point. And those are really your 3 options for current 11th graders. Okay, so happy course shopping. Bye-bye.